Good day mga kudoks. So today we are here in Exeter Airport and we're going somewhere just near our place. So as you all know, I am a doctor from the Philippines and I'm currently here in the UK. I'm already registered here as a doctor. I've been making videos about my PLAB journey, which is one of the exams that you could take to be a doctor here in the UK. At the moment, I'm doing my clinical attachment, which is something that you could do so that you can be hired as a doctor here in the UK. Apart from that, I'm also working as an early years educator as my main job. And currently, I'm on my job hunting to be a doctor here in the UK. Come and join us as we go to a place here in the UK. Hello mga kudoks, good day! So we're currently here in Exeter Airport and we're going to Belfast.
This is our first time riding an airplane here in the UK, except when going to the Philippines. It's far from the UK island. Is it?
Yeah, not really far. I mean, Northern Ireland is still a part of the
It's
UK.
just like going to Manila.
It's like from Sulu to Manila.
But it is separated from, that's what I mean.
Yeah, separated from the main island of Great Britain. So we're going to Northern Ireland to visit my cousin and also to see what's in Belfast. So when you go to Belfast and you already live here in the UK, you don't need a visa. Your BRP or your resident permit card as a UK what do you call this? Is it resident? Yeah, UK resident will suffice for you to travel to Northern Ireland. So we travel through Exeter. We're traveling through Exeter Airport. As you can see, there's not much people here. So it's quite a what do you call it? Not PC airport. And we bought some chocolates for our cousin, and because our supposedly gift that we bought online did not arrive, so we just bought some chocolates for them here in duty free. So duty free. So come and join us as we go to Northern Ireland. See you later. Hello mga kudoks, so we're here in Belfast. I'm still at the airport and I'm waiting for my cousin-in-law to get us here in the airport, to pick us up
Collect.
here in the airport. So my wife underestimated the weather, so we tried to look outside, and the weather is currently around 11 to 12 degrees Celsius, whereas in Exeter during nighttime it's still at 15 to 16 degrees Celsius, right? So it's quite colder here because it's on the north of the UK. So she's just wearing this jacket, and now she will suffer the cold here because she didn't bring anything.
Buy
She easily gets cold, by the way.
Oh, it's still summer. Why are they using already puffer?
So I think here in Belfast, usually the summer season ends a bit sooner compared to the other parts of the UK. So the airport is nice. It's small. What can you say?
Very cold.
Hmm?
Very cold.
It's very cold.
I'm dead.
Cold for a summer season.
I'm dead already tomorrow.
So we're gonna buy a jacket maybe tomorrow here
Maybe
in
a
Belfast,
fleece.
or a fleece. Yeah.
my top tomorrow is like the one with the hoodie. So
It will still not be enough. Oh no, Ryan is here. Okay, we'll go. Bye bye.